Hey guys, what's up? In this super short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete projects in Canva really quickly. Okay guys, first off, any project you have created on Canva can be accessed through your projects folder. You will find it here on the left sidebar inside your account on Canva, just below the home button. So click on it to access your project. And here you will have a list of recent designs, for example, or images, videos, and so on and so forth. So guys, simply select the design you would like to delete by right-clicking on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Move to Trash. That is going to move your design to the trash folder or your project. Bear in mind though that moving a project to the trash folder is not the same as deleting it permanently. So to delete it permanently, head over to the trash folder here, and either guys you right-click on them and delete them permanently, or you wait for 30 days so that these designs and projects get deleted automatically here from the trash folder. Or alternatively guys, if you'd like to restore them, you will have up to 30 days to do that by clicking on them and by selecting restore. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.